The technique, known as three-parent in vitro fertilization, aims to prevent diseases caused by faulty genes found in mitochondria. It involves using a donor egg in addition to genetic material from both a mother and a father, resulting in the baby technically having three parents. While the majority of the child's DNA is inherited from the mother and father, the use of another woman's egg introduces a few of her genes specifically within the mitochondria of the cell. The process entails replacing an egg cell that carries defective mitochondrial genes with a healthy donor cell lacking those defects. Once the donor egg cell is obtained, the genetic material from the mother and father is introduced. There are two similar yet slightly distinct methods used. They are maternal spindle transfer and pronuclear transfer. In the maternal spindle transfer procedure, the genetic information from a donor egg without mitochondrial defects is extracted, and the genetic information of a mother with defective mitochondrial genes is inserted. This enables a woman with harmful genes in her mitochondria to transfer her genetic material to an egg that is free of such defects. This egg is then fertilized by the father's sperm, resulting in an embryo with the DNA of both parents along with a small amount of DNA from the third donor present within the mitochondria. The pronuclear transfer method follows a slightly different approach to achieve the same outcome. An embryo is created using standard in vitro fertilization techniques, where the mother's egg is fertilized by the father's sperm, forming two pronuclear zygotes. This early stage embryo contains maternal mitochondria with defective genes. The next step involves removing the pronuclei from the cell and transferring them to a donor cell that has been fertilized by the father's sperm and has its pronuclei removed. This donor cell carries mitochondria free of any defects. Ultimately, the pronuclei from the mother and father are transferred to the donor cell, resulting in a zygote containing the father's DNA, the mother's DNA, and a small amount of DNA from the third donor within the mitochondria of the cell. That's the end of the video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't.